Did you know that Asia has more billionaires than North America and Europe combined? Yeah, you heard that right. In fact, there are over 1,000 billionaires across China, India, Japan, and Southeast Asia. But here's the kicker. Most of these billionaires didn't inherit their wealth. They built it from scratch. So how did they do it? What's the secret sauce? Well, buckle up, because I'm going to show you 12 Asian secrets to becoming a millionaire that you're not hearing anywhere else. This is going to change the way you think about building wealth. First up, let's talk about delayed gratification. This concept is rooted deeply in many Asian cultures. It's all about mastering the art of waiting for the long-term rewards instead of chasing short-term gains. In countries like Japan and China, the idea of patience is ingrained in their philosophy. Kakebo, the Japanese art of budgeting, isn't just about saving money. It's about being intentional and understanding that sacrifice today leads to a richer tomorrow. Asian millionaires aren't looking for a quick win. They know that their investments, whether time or money, need to mature over time. This is why many Asian entrepreneurs will work 10 to 15 years in a niche before even considering a major exit. It's about building value and seeing the bigger picture. In the West, we're often fixated on hustling and making it right now, but in Asia, the emphasis is on long-term wealth generation. Secret number 2 is about networking. But not just any networking, Asian-style networking. In countries like China, Korea, and Japan, relationships are everything. It's not just about who you know, it's about building deep connections and trust over time. In business, knowing someone is not enough. You need to cultivate meaningful, loyal partnerships. In places like Japan, business cards aren't just cards. They're a symbol of respect. There's a ritual to how you present them. This attention to detail and the respect for relationships carries over into business practices. While we're in the West, swiping left or right on someone's LinkedIn, Asian billionaires are hosting dinners, giving gifts, and cultivating true, enduring relationships. Secret 3, frugality. Now, before you start thinking, oh, this is just about being cheap, let's set the record straight. Saving isn't about depriving yourself. It's about prioritizing your future. In places like India, China, and Korea, frugality isn't a burden, it's a philosophy of life. The idea is to spend on what truly matters and cut out unnecessary costs. The Japanese concept of wabi-sabi, or finding beauty in imperfection, teaches people to appreciate what they have and not chase the next shiny object. Asians often live below their means, especially in their early years, so they can invest in opportunities. Think about it, most of the wealthiest people in Asia didn't start with luxury. They invested wisely from a young age and prioritized growth over spending. Now on to number 4, obsession with education. From the Ivy League universities of Asia to community colleges, education is a big deal. But it's not just about formal degrees, it's about continuous learning and constantly improving. Asian cultures place a strong emphasis on the discipline of learning, whether it's through formal schooling or self-education. Education is viewed as an investment, not an expense. In countries like South Korea, education is treated as a means to secure a better future. In fact, parents often push their children to excel academically because they understand that knowledge is a gateway to opportunity. You'll see young professionals constantly upgrading their skills even after they've secured a job because they understand that the world never stops changing. Now, let's talk about family, my rebels. I know, you might think this is a bit cliche, but in many parts of Asia, family businesses are the backbone of the economy. It's not just about inheriting money, it's about learning the family trade from a young age and building on it. You've got parents and grandparents who teach you the ropes from the very start. It's mentorship passed down through generations. Secret 6, real estate. While everyone in the West is flipping houses for a quick profit, in Asia, real estate is often seen as a long-term, solid investment. In Hong Kong, Tokyo, or Delhi, property has always been a safe, lucrative investment. Asian millionaires are known to accumulate property over time, creating vast portfolios that appreciate and provide steady passive income. Real estate isn't just about buying property. It's about building generational wealth. In China, many people use their real estate holdings to ensure financial security for future generations. And this isn't limited to the big cities. Real estate investment is becoming increasingly popular in emerging markets, where land value is rising rapidly. Secret 7 is about embracing calculated risks. Yeah, you heard me, risk. But here's the kicker: calculated. Asian entrepreneurs are known for taking risks, but they do it in a way that minimizes their exposure and maximizes potential returns. Whether it's entering an emerging market or launching a new product, they assess the risk but act decisively when the reward outweighs the chance of failure. Take Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba. He started out in a market that was underdog in every sense. But through careful risk management and understanding market dynamics, he turned Alibaba into a global e-commerce powerhouse. That's the Asian mindset. Calculated risks that pay off big time. Number 8, work ethic. In Asia, work ethic isn't just about punching the clock. It's about relentless discipline. From Japan to South Korea, there's a deep respect for the process of working hard and paying your dues. The world of business in Asia demands that you work long hours, be consistent, and get things done with precision. In Japan, there's a concept called kaizen, which is the practice of continuous improvement. Companies, from small startups to large corporations, focus on incremental improvements to get better every day. This mindset has helped some of the largest companies in the world maintain their dominance for decades. Secret 9, purpose-driven branding. The richest entrepreneurs in Asia don't just start businesses, they start movements. Whether it's the eco-conscious brands in Japan or the social enterprises in India, these businesses don't just sell products, they sell meaning. Think about the Tata Group in India. The company doesn't just sell cars or steel. It builds schools, creates jobs, and provides health care. Their customers don't just buy from them for the product, they buy into a vision. In Asia, businesses that align with the social good often resonate more with consumers, which in turn builds a stronger brand loyalty. Secret 10 is about adaptability. Whether it's China's tech giants innovating with artificial intelligence or India's fintech boom, the ability to adapt quickly and innovate is a key driver for wealth. Asian entrepreneurs have the ability to pivot and adapt faster than anyone else. Companies like Huawei and Tencent evolved rapidly to stay ahead of the competition. Their ability to embrace new technology and continuously innovate has made them dominant forces in the global economy. If you're not evolving, you're going to fall behind. Secret 11, health is wealth. In many Asian cultures, health isn't just about physical fitness. It's a way of life. The Chinese practice Tai Chi, and in India, yoga is considered a spiritual and physical discipline. The focus on mental and physical health is not just about longevity, it's about productivity. Successful people in Asia understand that their business ventures can't thrive if they don't take care of themselves first. Many of Asia's wealthiest individuals prioritize wellness in their daily routines, whether it's starting the day with meditation or eating mindfully. And finally, secret number 12, giving back. The richest people in Asia often have a deep connection to their communities and believe in sharing their wealth. The idea is simple: as you rise, lift others with you. Singapore's billionaires like Lee Ka-shing have pledged billions to charitable causes. By giving back, they create sustainable change, and their businesses continue to grow as a result. Philanthropy isn't just about writing checks. It's about making a tangible difference in the lives of others. So there you have it, 12 secrets to becoming a millionaire, Asian style. From delayed gratification to networking, investing wisely, and giving back, there's a ton of wisdom packed into these practices. But remember, none of these secrets are magic tricks. They're all about mindset and strategy. You've got the tools now, so what are you going to do with them? If you're ready to start building your wealth, hit that subscribe button and let's rise together. This is Lex Ravenna signing out. Until next time, keep hustling.